Hello, good morning friends. I am Shalik Katane, working as a subject assistant at DIET Gondia. Today we will learn about subject science and the topic is parts of plant. See in this picture. These pictures have parts of plant. There are mainly 5 parts of plant. First one is root, stem, third is fruit, fourth is leaf and fifth one is flower. Look at this picture carefully. We see that the part root grows below the earth and the stem, fruit, leaf and flower, these 4 parts grows above the earth. Root. Now see this picture. In this picture, this is a picture of roots. These roots have various subroots. This is called as secondary roots. See this picture. This is the primary root and these are secondary roots. Roots of some plants produce secondary roots that grows obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Roots support the plant. This type of root is called taproot. Means this is a figure of taproot. Roots support the plant from wind, rain, etc. Next part of root is root hair. This is the root hairs. Root bear hair-like processes near the root tip. These are root hairs. Root hairs are near the root tip and this is a root tip. And this is a root cap. What is root cap? Root cap is the root cap. The tip is covered by cap-like structure called the root cap. The root cap protects the root from injuries. This is a root tip. Root tip is covered by root cap. It protects the root tip by injuries. Look at this picture. This is the picture of stem. The stem grows above the soil. Whereas the root grows below the soil. Stem have nodes. These are nodes. There are nodes on the stem. Leaves come out at the nodes. Look at this picture. These are nodes and here we see that from the nodes the leaves come out at nodes. Now one of the most important thing, that is internode. What is internode? The part of the stem between 2 nodes is called an internode. Nodes. This is a node and this is the another node and the distance between 2 nodes is called internode. Another part is bud. What is bud? The tip or the apical end of the stem is called a bud. This is the growing ends. And this is the leaf. This is the picture of leaf. Now what are the parts of leaf? We discuss briefly. Friend, this is the leaf apex. What is leaf apex? We see here the tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. This is the tip of the leaf is called as the leaf apex. And another part is leaf margin. This entire edge of leaf is called as the leaf margin. Edge is called the leaf margin. Leaf blade. What is leaf blade? The broad spread out part of leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. This whole part is called the leaf blade or lamina. Next one, petiole. What is petiole? Leaves of some plants have stalk called a petiole. Some leaves not have stalk means they have not petiole. Some leaves have stalk, therefore they have petiole. This is the petiole. What is stipule? Small leaf-like structure may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Stipules is the small size of like a leaf which is present near the leaf base. And last one, leaf base. The portion of leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Means this is the portion of leaf which is attached to the stem is called as the leaf base. And these two another part, vein and midvein. This is the midvein and these are the veins. Here these vein and midveins not seen clearly. In next figure we discuss about vein and midvein. Observe this figure. Here this is the midvein and these are the veins. Here we see veins which support the lamina and transport material to and from the leaf tissues, radiate through the lamina from the petiole. These are the functions of vein. Thanks friend for watching this video.